Good day, everyone. I'm Paul Thompson, the product manager for shopping, and I'm pleased to share an exciting new feature in our shopping solution called Tachyon Integration. That's my appearance here on the Tachyon Tuesday vlog. And in particular, I'm sure you know by now, Tachyon's wonderful as far as executing all kinds of instructions on lots of computers very quickly, helping you to fix all variety of problems and so forth. And a lot of that is fairly technical because that's the world we live in. But some of the Tachyon instructions are approachable by end users, understandable by them. And so why not empower your users to also fix their problems where appropriate, right? That would be only their own personal problem as opposed to the problem for the whole organization or anything like that. And it would be a limited subset of things that users will appreciate. So the users are hopefully used to going to shopping anyways. They need it for applications, security changes, requesting hardware, so on and so forth. So why not just add another group like I have done here called Fix My Computer, so that when the user realizes, hey, I'm getting more mobile these days, I need a VPN connection, I don't know exactly what that is or how to do it, but let's go ahead and see if shopping can help me with that. And sure enough, we got a option here to set up a VPN link. So okay, that's what we'll do. And just for demo purposes, I'll go to the relevant settings and we'll see, oh, okay, it's not there. But the user wouldn't understand those settings anyway. So fine, they go into shopping, they say, yep, that looks like what I need. They go ahead and they request it, and poof, we even get status right away. As you can see, that's another feature of Shopping 6.1 that we introduced recently, called order tracking. And so it's off and it goes and it sets up the VPN connection thanks to the Tachyon instruction, and poof, there you go, already it's right there. So now the user's happy. And we're happy as administrators because we didn't have to get involved in that process. It just driven entirely by the end users. So we'll do a quick little behind the scenes look at what's happening there. Back in the shopping administrator console, we do have a Tachyon application, as we call it, really the instruction. And if we go in and check out the properties of that instruction, we can see what we saw there, but when we go to the delivery tab, we can see it's actually an instruction. It's coming from Tachyon, and we got our friendly little description there, sort of reminding us what this does. This one's pretty straightforward, but others might not be. And we even have the readable payload if you need to search for it in Tachyon or something like that. And then relevant parameters that can be set, such as the VPN server in this case. So, and then all the rest is available too. You can use approvers if need be. You can offer it in multiple languages. You can make Active Directory changes at the same time. You can use a nice pretty icon. All the goodness of shopping is still available as always. And then on the Tachyon side, the integration is pretty straightforward as well. Obviously, you'll have your instructions and so forth, same as always, and makes sense to just put the relevant ones for users into the instruction. Oops, not quite there yet, are we? There we go. Into the relevant instruction set for shopping. Scrolling down here. There we go. Okay, and actually, that's not the one. There it is. There's our shopping instruction set. We've got all the different instructions over here, but it is just a limited set that's appropriate. And so this is what the shopping administrator is limited to as well. So you don't have to worry that some shopping administrator is going to go crazy and offer something really dangerous to the users. It's whatever you decide that you're going to put in the relevant instruction set. And we do have, relevant permissions, of course. We've got a shopping administrator group that's limited to a particular instruction set that we just saw. and then we have a consumer for shopping, just to facilitate the workflow and all that kind of stuff. So it's all right there, and then you can watch the traffic, of course. Here we go. The actions for the VPN, both the addition of the VPN connection, but then also the notification goes through Tachyon as well. So you actually see a couple of updates here, a few of them really. So very normal kind of implementation from a Tachyon point of view. Nothing challenging there, so to speak. But it's also tightly limited so that you don't have to worry about anybody getting carried away and so forth. And and just to show you again, if we were to create a new Tachyon instruction as an application, it's really same as any other shopping application. Just go into the menu, create a new one, go through a wizard like as usual, setting all the relevant details. And but in this case, we can go in, and when we get to this tab, we can say which instruction, and you'll notice it's the same limited subset that we saw in the instruction set. I've got, I don't know, 100, 200 instructions loaded into Tachyon, but I'm only seeing about 12 or 15 of them here. So I am indeed limited. But yeah, that's how it works. Very quick and straightforward, easy from the administration point of view, easy from the user point of view as well. And so we trust you will enjoy offering these to your end users, helping your help desk to reduce their call volume and making everybody happy. So have a great Tachyon Tuesday, and thank you. Bye for now.